Hey guys, today I'm going to be reviewing this Captain Spaulding from House of a Thousand Corpses, and it's a Cult Classics Hall of Fame, and it's from NECA Real Toys. Look at the side, look at all that artwork. That's just him, like making his creepy looking smile with the American flag hat, all the American work details. Look at the other side. It's just plastic. And this is the other side. This is him, and these are all the toys you guys can get, except for this one because that's one I have. And whatever you guys want, and it's really cool. And I like the details, how they all did it, how the creators made it. And let's get to the toy. So this is the toy, and this is how he looks. And the shirt goes all the way to right here. And this one, it's a little, I can stand a little bit. You guys can see how it falls a little bit. And I like how they did the paint and the makeup, how his mouth is like all open. And I like the shining they put all over it. And I like how his hands are like this. And I like how they did everything with it. But the thing I really don't like about it is that it can't stand too well. Like, if it falls like that, it would fall. But this is also his hat he wears in the movie. Look, you guys can see closer like that. That's his little hat. And they put, like, it looks good. And I like exactly how they did it. And I love it. It's cool. It's perfect. I like it. And this is his interchangeable hands. This is his hands. You guys can change them. And I like it. I like how they put it in the position because it's good looking, and I really like it. And I like it. So, and this is the background. So you guys can look at that. And this is the background of the devil on the ride. So that's all I showed you guys today. I want more subscribers, so hit that like button. Bye. Damn.